Google's Pixel 9a is shaping up to be a powerful mid-range smartphone with a Tensor G4 chip. But hold on, there's one big concern that's got the internet buzzing. Is Google making a critical mistake with its modem choice? Let's dive in. A recent survey with over 4,400 votes reveals that nearly 75% of users are worried about the Pixel 9a's modem downgrade. Could this be a deal breaker? Stick around to find out. The Pixel 9a is expected to bring the same powerful Tensor G4 chip as the Pixel 9 series, making it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. But there's a catch. It's using the older Exynos modem 5300 instead of the newer 5400. Why does this matter? Well, past Pixel models with the 5300 modem faced connectivity issues, including signal drops, slow reconnections, and even battery drain on 5G networks. Some users reported losing coverage on highways and experiencing unreliable cellular performance compared to phones with Qualcomm or MediaTek modems. Here's what the survey says. 40% of users are concerned but waiting for reviews. 36.6% called it a deal breaker. That means over 75% are skeptical about this modem choice. But wait, not everyone has faced these issues. Some Pixel 6a and 7a users report smooth connectivity with no problems. Plus, Google has improved modem performance over time with software updates. So, could the Pixel 9a still surprise us? Now we want to hear from you. Will you still consider buying the Pixel 9a despite the modem concerns?